Hello musicians, we are going to start the body percussion for Edvard Grieg's In the Hall of the Mountain Key. And the body percussion goes like this. There are 4 different measures, and so we'll say 4 different parts of the body percussion. So measure 1 goes like this. You pat your legs, and then you pat to the right. Pat your legs, and then pat to the left. Let's try that much. 1, 2, here we go. Pat to the right, pat to the left. 1, 2, again and go. Pat to the right, pat to the left. 1, 2, again and go. Pat right, pat left. Very good. That's our first measure. Our second measure, or our second part, is going to go like this. We pat and then cross our hands. Okay? Now, if you would take just a moment and like 5 times real fast, just go pat, cross, just so you get the muscle memory of patting your legs and crossing your arms. Here we go. Pat, cross, pat, cross, pat, cross, pat, cross. All right. Now we're going to go pat, cross, pat again, and this time we're going to go out. Okay, so we're going to tap out. Here we go. Pat, cross, pat, out. 1, 2, here we go. Pat, cross, pat, out. Again, 2, here we go. Pat, cross, pat, out. 1, 2, here we go. Pat, cross, pat, out. 1, 2, here you go. Pat, cross, pat, out. Now let's put measure 1 and measure 2 together. So we're going to put part 1, part 2 together. So remember, part 1 is pat to the right, pat to the left. Okay? Let's walk through it really slow, those 2 together. So we're going to pat right, pat left, pat cross, pat out. Okay? 1, 2, here we go. Pat to the right, pat to the left, pat, cross, pat, out. Okay? 1, 2, here we go. Pat to the right, pat to the left, pat, cross, pat, out. 1, 2, here you go. Pat to the right, pat to the left, pat, cross, pat, out. Very good. So that's part 1. Part 2, now let's do part 3. It gets pretty simple from here. This is the easy part. You're going to go pat, clap, clap, clap. Easy enough, right? Pats and 3 claps. 1, 2, part 3, and go. Pat, clap, clap, clap. Very good. Can we put part 1, part 2, and part 3 together? Okay. 1, 2, part 1, and go. Clap to the right, clap to the left, clap, cross, clap, out, clap, tap, pat, clap. I couldn't think of the word for clap. Clap. Pat, clap, clap, clap. There we go. That was from Miss Faust. Here we go. Beginning. 1, 2, here you go. Pat to the right, pat to the left, pat, cross, pat, out, pat, clap, clap, clap. Now from here, the last part is really easy. You're going to snap, 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 snap. So that's 4 snaps down. Now if you can't snap, just fake it. Okay, it's not a big deal, all right? Here we go. From the beginning. 1, 2, here we go. Pat to the right, pat to the left, pat, cross, pat, out, pat, clap, 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 snap, 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 snap. Now the music you've heard, so it goes with the music. I'll kind of hum the music. It's not going to sound very good, sorry. I'll hum the music while we're doing it this time. 1, 2, here you go. Bum, 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 bum. And that's how it fits with the music. Now we just repeat that over and over and over. But something happens in the music. Did you notice that so far as we've listened to it, not only does it get louder toward the end, which we call a crescendo. Can you say crescendo? Good. Crescendo means we gradually get louder. It's not all at once, just loud. It's gradually gradually getting louder. But we also have something that happens with the tempo or the speed of the music. And it gets faster and faster and faster. And we call, when the music gets faster and faster and faster, we call that an accelerando. Can you say accelerando? Very good. So we're going to start slow, then we're going to speed it up. We're going to try it by ourselves, and then we'll add the music. Here we go. 1, 2, here you go. Bum, 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 bum. Cross, out, clap, 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 and snap, snap. Little faster. Bum, 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 bum. Little faster. Bum, 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 bum. Now, if you can't go as fast as the music does, it's okay. Good luck, and I will see you soon.